This short guide explains how to buy shares of Nexa Resources SA and walks through the practical steps. Nexa is a metals and mining company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker Nexa. This is educational content and not financial advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker Nexa to find the listing. Select the result that matches Nexa Resources SA on NASDAQ to make sure it is the correct share. Open the stock page to review basic company information and a price chart. Verify the company name, exchange and ticker read, Nexa Resources SA, NASDAQ, Nexa before proceeding. To buy, price, invest, or buy, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at market open, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to explore the platform.